The heart's epic journey, a tale of four chambers. The human heart is a tireless muscular pump, a magnificent organ the size of a fist, situated slightly to the left of the center of your chest. This isn't just a simple machine, it's a four-chambered marvel, a grand central station for the body's most precious cargo, blood. Its rhythm is the very drumbeat of life, a constant lub-dub, that ensures every cell gets what it needs to survive. The right side, the deoxygenated route. Our story begins with the right atrium. Think of this as the heart's receiving dock for all the blood returning from the body. This blood is used up, having delivered its oxygen to muscles, organs, and tissues. It's rich in carbon dioxide and other waste products. This deoxygenated blood arrives through two main highways: the superior vena cava, which collects blood from the upper body, head and arms, and the inferior vena cava, which brings blood from the lower body, legs and torso. Once the right atrium is full, it contracts, pushing the blood through a one-way door called the tricuspid valve. This valve's job is crucial. It prevents blood from flowing backward into the right atrium. The blood then enters the right ventricle, the heart's first major pumping chamber. The right ventricle is a powerful chamber, and when it's full, it contracts with a strong force. This contraction propels the deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery. This is a unique artery as it's the only one that carries deoxygenated blood. It leads the blood on a short but vital journey to the lungs. The lungs, the exchange market. In the lungs, a miraculous exchange takes place. The pulmonary artery branches into smaller and smaller vessels, eventually becoming a fine network of capillaries that surround the tiny air sacs in the lungs, called alveoli. This is where the magic happens. Carbon dioxide, a waste product, diffuses out of the blood and into the alveoli to be exhaled. At the same time, fresh oxygen that we've just inhaled diffuses from the alveoli into the blood. The blood now, of vibrant red, is fully oxygenated and ready for its return journey. The left side, the oxygenated express. The newly oxygenated blood leaves the lungs and returns to the heart's other receiving dock, the left atrium, via the pulmonary veins. Like its right-sided counterpart, the left atrium contracts when full, pushing the oxygen-rich blood through another one-way valve, the mitral valve, and into the heart's most powerful chamber, the left ventricle. The left ventricle is the true powerhouse of the heart. Its walls are thicker and more muscular than any other chamber, because it has the monumental task of pumping blood to the entire body. When the left ventricle contracts, it generates immense pressure, forcing the blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. From the aorta, the oxygenated blood begins its epic journey to every corner of the body. The aorta branches into a network of smaller arteries and even smaller arterioles, delivering life-giving oxygen and nutrients to the brain, muscles, organs, and all other tissues. As the blood travels through the body, it gradually gives up its oxygen and picks up carbon dioxide and other waste products, completing the cycle and preparing to return to the right side of the heart to begin the journey all over again. The heartbeat is a rhythmic dance. This entire process, from the right atrium's filling to the left ventricle's powerful pump, happens in a fraction of a second, in a single heartbeat. A heartbeat isn't just one contraction, it's a synchronized dance of two events: systole and diastole. Systole is the contraction phase, when the ventricles squeeze and pump blood out of the heart. The lub sound of the heartbeat is the sound of the tricuspid and mitral valves closing at the start of systole. Diastole is the relaxation phase, when the atrial ventricles fill with blood. The dub sound is the closing of the pulmonary and aortic valves as diastole begins. This rhythmic two-part process ensures that blood flows in a continuous one-way circuit, fueling every cell and keeping the body alive. The heart, with its four chambers and perfectly timed valves, truly is the conductor of this magnificent symphony of life.